Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another episode of Techno Tori. In today's video, I'm going to be having a look at these two amazing items that were sent to me by Mensing gamers, Streamplify and Overclockers. So first off, I'm going to be having a look at this 14-inch ring light, and then afterwards I'm going to be having a look at this webcam. Big shout out again to Mensing gamers, Streamplify and Overclockers for sending me these amazing upgrades because I was in desperate need of them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, so as you can see from me unboxing the ring light itself, there are quite a few components that come with it. That is because this ring light has 3 different mounts, which is actually really useful because of the different types of content that I like to make. It's just good to have options. So we're going to do Bob the Builder and see how it goes. So the ring light comes with a camera mount that you can just screw into the 1/4 inch head attached to the ring light, and you can also adjust the ball bearing at the top of the mount. There is also a smartphone holder, and you can use this second camera mount to attach the smartphone holder to the ring light. And there's a screw at the back so you can adjust the orientation of your smartphone. You can also choose between one of the 3 ridges in the ring light as to where you want the smartphone holder to be and just screw it in place. There's also a gooseneck holder and an additional smartphone holder. To attach the gooseneck holder, you just have to twist the dial at the back of the smartphone holder, push it in, and then twist it again. Turning on the ring light now, it is actually so bright, and as you can see by my face, I'm actually very happy with it. There is a tack switch at the front of the ring light that you can use to control the brightness and the color temperature. So the ring light has a 10 level brightness with 2250 lumens at maximum. The color temperature varies with 4 levels ranging from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin. There's also a remote control that comes with the ring light so that you can control the brightness and color temperature remotely, but that does require 2 AAA batteries to use. On the back of the ring light, you have an on and off switch. You have a figure 8 port so that the ring light can be powered on by the mains, and you also have 2 5A USB ports in the back so that if you want to charge your phone, you are free to do so. The tripod itself is actually really sturdy, and to use it you just simply unscrew the top and push it down and then screw it to tighten. The tripod can also double up into a selfie stick, so if you want to utilize that, you just have to unscrew the bottom of it and then pull the legs from the stick. To attach it to the ring light, there is a hole in the ring light, and then you just screw it to tighten it in place. The height adjustment on the tripod ranges from 50 centimeters to 170 centimeters, and the ring light itself has a lovely rotation of 180 degrees, which I approve of, as you can see. So yeah, that's it for the ring light. So this is the Streamplify webcam. I'm loving the design, love the little bit of branding on the front, we love to see it. The webcam actually has two mics, so this one is one that you can see on the side, and as I remove the privacy screen you can also see the one on the front. The privacy screen is actually really good because you can hear it click as it closes and opens. It's quite satisfying. There's also a clip that There's also a clip that you can use to attach it to a monitor or desk, and there is also a 1/4 inch screw head if you wish to mount it on a tripod. The cable is attached to the webcam itself and cannot be removed, but the privacy screen is designed well enough that if you open or close it, it doesn't interfere with the cable. The webcam can be connected using a USB 2.0 connector, but it's also compatible with 3.0 connections as well. You can also tilt the webcam up to 45 degrees, up or down, and you can also swivel the webcam around to a full 360 degrees. The webcam also comes with its own little tripod, which is just so cute. On each leg of the tripod there's also some anti-shock rubber on the feet, so that just means it's a bit more sturdy if you're going to be putting it down on a surface. And there's also a mount on top of the tripod for the webcam, and you can just adjust it with a screw. Alright, so this is me using my current webcam, which is the Logitech C920, and I currently have the Streamplify webcam plugged in. But before I switch to the webcam, what I noticed is that my webcam is quite fuzzy. It's not clear, it's not crisp, and I don't know if you can see it, but I can see a black border at the top and the bottom. It's not giving the 1080p it's supposed to give. But if we switch over to the Streamplify webcam now, the borders are gone, it's all disappeared. I love it. You can already see that the colours are a lot more vibrant, a lot more sharper. Just a couple facts about the webcam itself. It's a 2.0 megapixel webcam with full HD 1080p resolution. It captures at MJPEG at 60 FPS. You don't need any additional drivers or softwares to use this webcam, it's just plug and play, and you can use it in all the streaming apps, cool apps, if you're working from home, if you're making content. I'm currently using OBS to record this video, so it works fine for me. I've got no issues whatsoever. And if I was to use the privacy slide now, let me see how that looks. Okay, so even with the privacy slide, it's completely covered, and it even clicks a little bit to let you know when the privacy slide is fully in place. Cool. And there's also a little light on the side of the webcam to let you know when it's on, which is really helpful because nobody wants to be doing stuff and you don't know that the webcam is on. So it's a good thing that they have the light there, which I appreciate. So the webcam actually has integrated dual stereo microphones with Realtek solutions. So I'm going to swap from my Elgato mic over to the Streamplify webcam and we'll see how that sounds. Okay, so I'm currently using the Streamplify webcam. I don't know how it sounds because I can't hear myself back. I'm going to put some subtitles here, so when I'm looking back at the video and editing it, I can say my thoughts. Good that you've got the option. If you don't have a standalone microphone, you've also got the option of using the webcam microphone, which is a good thing. One thing I will say though is that the clip for the webcam is a bit loose. There's not a component at the bottom of the clip where you can hold it onto the monitor a bit more securely. You can probably see now I'm just wobbling it a little bit because it's quite a bit loose. So that's one thing to just be aware of. Don't go like knocking it about and then next thing you know it falls off. The webcam is supposed to also have autofocus, which I'm going to test out. I don't know what I'm going to use. Vaseline. Let's try and see what it does when I put the Vaseline close to the camera. Is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? Whoa! There we go. And then back to me. Gonna do it. There we go. All right, cool. That works. But yeah, I much prefer this webcam over my other one, I will not lie. So I think I'm going to start using this webcam moving forward. So this is just me using the natural light that comes into the office when I stream or make content. Whenever I'm streaming during the day, I don't really feel the need to use any extra light, so I wouldn't turn on a ring light. But I'm going to use the Streamplify ring light just to show you what it looks like. Obviously, it's not nighttime and I'm not testing it out in the night yet. But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. I think this is a really good upgrade. I'm actually very happy with it and I'm gonna start using it in my streams moving forward. I think that's probably the best course of action. But yeah, that is the Streamplify webcam. That is it, that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Big shout out again to Melanin Gamers, Streamplify and Overclockers for sending me the ring light and the webcam to have a look at. I hope you all have a wonderful morning, afternoon or evening wherever you're watching me from in the world, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!